Hello, in this PulseWorx-EZ video we're going to cover programming and verify. We have operations for program and verify both in the network category, also in the device category if you select one or more devices. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a verify, and we're going to do a network verify to start. So go ahead and press the verify button, and all the devices are going to be listed and what their status is. And you see that verify proceeds fairly quickly. Notice all the devices have now verified. And they're all in blue, which shows everything's good. Let's go ahead and make a change to something. We'll change these bedroom lights, and we'll go ahead and do an edit on that. And we're going to change an option for the LED brightness to use high. Okay, it's a minor change, but nonetheless, it's a change that has to be reflected in programming the device. So go ahead, and now we'll notice that it shows red down here, which tells us this device needs to be programmed. We can go ahead and program just this device by selecting it and going to Program. And it's going to go ahead and do the programming. It's going to write that change out. It's going to make sure it's all correct. And it is. Its status was okay. It's now programmed. Go ahead and close, and sure enough, it's gone back to blue. So, and if we wanted to, we could select more than one device, and we could do a program on those. Same thing with verify. Let's go back to network here, and let's go ahead and make a change to, let's say we change the gazebo lights. We'll go ahead and do an edit on that, and we're going to set its options. How about its load? We'll do a time shut off after 10 minutes. Okay, so we'll go ahead and close and do an OK on that. Once again, it needs to be programmed. So let's just pretend that we forgot about doing program and we started to do a verify. So let's go ahead and do a network verify on that and see what options we get. So now it's going through and it's checking all the devices, making sure everything's good. Notice that the gazebo lights didn't verify, and it gives us two options. We can either program it or we can read. If we program it, well, then we're taking the settings that are in the file and we're programming into the device, just like a normal program operation. And if we read from the device, we're saying, well, what's in the device is really what I want and not what I want in the file, which in this case would wipe out that change that we just went ahead and made. So we'll go ahead and do the program. And it's going to go through and it's going to do the same kind of program operation we saw before, where it writes it out, it checks that it's all correct, and that's it. Now it's programmed OK, and it's been verified. So we go ahead and do close, and sure enough, that change is now accepted. We're back in that. Now let's just do one more verify. Okay, and we'll do a network verify, and there'll be a slight difference this time. Okay. And so we're going through here and we're doing the same thing that we've done before. Everything's basically the same till we get to the kids' bedroom lights. Now it's going through and it's trying to talk to that device. Now I've powered the device down for this test so you can see what's going to happen. And it goes through and it finally says, well, I can't verify this thing, and it sure looks like it's missing. So go ahead back here, and it's put a line through it. So that device no longer can be talked to by the system for whatever reason. Perhaps it's powered down, perhaps it's broken, perhaps there's so much noise in your system that you can't do that, or something like that. If I go ahead and I connect the device again and I do a verify on it, and this time, of course, it verifies because I powered the device back on. I just wanted you to see that. So that's programming and verifying. Pretty straightforward.